Yeah, if you see a place on the roof that looks suspicious, or if it's been repaired, look at it underneath. If there's no evidence of underneath, it means they caught it early, they fixed it. These cracks.
Yeah.
Pretty much got them all the way around when we had that rain.
Okay.
Right after we first got it, it leaked.
Okay.
So
oh yeah.
that's the only place I've seen where it could get in and leak like that. So
There we go. There's some really big cracks. So we're gonna try Flex Seal spray. We've not used the spray before. That's almost a whole can, huh?
that is a whole can. Yep. It's done.
I just can't see how this is going to work as good as
We'll see.
the paste, the paint. Okay, what are we doing up here, dear?
We are installing Max X Air vent cover.
Max X Air.
This is the most we've ever installed on an
Here
RV.
we go. There we go. Sorry.
There's 5 of them on this crazy thing.
Yeah, there's one behind him. This is the last one,
Hallelujah.
I think. Well, except for that vent right there is the, what are those called? The power vents?
It's a power vent. Supposedly there's one down on the ground that
Yeah, we've got
Will
2
work.
down there. We'll check. And if they don't, then we'll just worry about it in a little.
we'll see.
Yeah. It's not leaking. None of them are leaking.
Well, the ones that were leaking, we've already covered because
okay.
it was the cover
It was,
right back
This
here on
plastic?
this corner. Right there was little pinholes.
okay. Why?
don't
We
know.
don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you can follow the instructions that come with it. I left them down on the buggy.
Do I need to get them?
No.
Okay.
I haven't figured this out, but on this
Oh, are you going
this
to have to dig them?
RV, there's already little grooves. It's almost like
Like they had one on here. Could it have gotten ripped off with trees or something like that?
but there's no hole.
Oh, maybe they didn't.
That's the puzzling part of it. But
Maybe they only drilled it down to the bottom, but not into the metal.
well, you don't drill into this. You just drill into this. So, anyway,
Weird.
the way you set these up is you set all these brackets up.
Okay.
Take your cover, set it over it, and make sure
It lines up.
it lines up. And it's a little iffy there. This back one needs to come back just a smidge,
Okay.
because if that's lined up there, that needs to go back just. Oh, well, it slid out of the hole. So
So, do you need a pen to mark, or can you just mark it with a
It would have been nice, but
We didn't bring a pen up here with us. I can go get us one if we need.
yeah, the last time. Anyway, we're a wing it type couple.
So we're pretty sure that's what it was.
Well, we're winging it, remember?
So that's not super hard to drill through. I hope the other
No,
side.
it's aluminum. Yeah.
Okay.
So screw, flat washer,
Washer.
nut.
Is this a lock washer? That's a spacer, isn't it?
Yeah, well, sort
Is
of.
this a lock washer?
That is a lock washer.
Okay. I did not know that. Did y'all see that?
Now you do.
It just looks like a little split jump ring in
Now
jewelry terms.
you have no excuse. You have been educated.
Always have an excuse.
Not once you're educated.
Sounded like a squirrel up here.
No, that was a bird.
There's a bird. Where'd you go, birdie?
I'm sat in too many tree stands to know the difference between a bird and a squirrel. Break me.
Yeah, you do.
Massive that I missed, that I forgot to show you.
Oh,
That
yeah.
needs to be in here when you put this on.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise you can't.
Right, you can't get it under there. Now I get it. Is that the... There we go.
Is that the kids?
Yeah. The girls will probably...
Let's see.
Okay.
This is still a little.
Buddy got that on. Okay.
Now I gotta go to the dangerous side.
This roof is the best. Okay, you want the screws to go under? I'm just gonna say for the record, I hate this. There we go. They are blooming out. That's crazy. Okay.
Make sure everything fits. Okay, those all fit.
That one's a little crooked, but
It's plastic and it works.
yeah.
Nothing to worry about.
Okay.
When you tighten these up, they move a little bit, so you just have to kind of give them a little snugger.
Make them snug up a little, huh?
Yep. You'll see it on, oops. See how that twists like that?
Yeah.
Go ahead and give it a little tighten, and then you can roll it back into the way it needs to be.
Okay.
It's kind of hard on these back ones because you can't really see them. You just kind of gotta. If I overextend myself here, I'll go off the edge.
No, let's not. No overextending. Now you have to get it to. Okay, well that one's in that backward.
Star washer.
Star washer.
Net.
I wonder why a star washer.
Because it bites both directions.
I'm so glad having these on.
Yeah. That way this summer when it's 9,000 degrees outside, we can run down the road with the vents open, and when we get to our campsite, it won't be 9,000 degrees inside. I was going to say it would be cool, but it's not going to be cool, but it's not going to be...
It won't be as hot.
Yeah.
It won't be a furnace. Oop, there we go.
Best pliers ever.
What would those be called?
This is a Milwaukee, but they're Milwaukee's.
Milwaukee's. And they look like cable crimpers or cable strippers or?
Strippers, cutters, and then you got pliers out on the end.
Okay.
Couldn't do my job without them. Totally covered.
Something like that.
It's got the vents on this side.
Yep.
So, but they are well worth the money, folks.
Well worth the money.
Yep.
Okay.
If you store your RV over the summertime or stuff like that, you can leave the vents cracked open. You won't get any rain inside, and you'll have a little bit of airflow through there, and it'll keep everything
A-okay.
A-okay. The only other one is the power vent, and we'll have to do some investigation on it. It takes a different setup because these you just drill through that metal
I see.
flange.
Yeah.
The power vent, it doesn't have that flange
Okay.
to do that, so we'll see what we come up with, but it does not leak. So
Okay, guys. Take care. Be blessed. We'll see you on the next one.
see ya.